And now let's check in on some headlines. In some exciting animal news from down under, Australia reports that baby Tasmanian devils are being born on the Australian mainland for the first time in 3,000 years.
Whoa!
Before now, they were only on the island of Tasmania, which is off the coast of the mainland. Conservationists hope that the cute little devils will help rewild and restore balance in the ecosystem. Researchers have created a brand new atlas, not one filled with maps and charts, but with microbes. The atlas is a catalog of viruses, bacteria, and other teeny tiny organisms, all collected from subways around the world. I wonder what that smells like.
Gross!
In the world of children's books, Carle, the author of classics like The Very Hungry Caterpillar, Brown Bear, and more than 70 other books that sold millions of copies around the world, passed away late last week at the age of 91. Rest easy, Mr. Carle. And finally, have you always wanted your food and clothes to match? Well, now they can. McDonald's has collaborated with K-pop superstars BTS to create a meal and clothing line.
Excellent!
The meal includes chicken nuggets and 2 dipping sauces inspired by McDonald's South Korea. The clothes from BTS feature a logo with a box of 7 fries, 1 for each band member. You'll be too cool for school in that gear.